Hi everyone. Over November we've spoken about men's mental health, breaking down the stigma around it and talked about reaching out for support. For the final video in this series, we're going to focus on one simple thing we can all do to look out for our mates and the people around us. And that's using the 2 OK rule. How often do you ask someone, "How are you doing?" And the response is, "I'm fine." It's almost an automatic default response for many of us, even when we're not feeling okay. The next time you're checking in with a friend, try using the 2 OK rule instead. Ask them a second time, "But how are you really doing?" Or "Are you actually alright?" This gives them the chance to think about how they're really feeling, invites them to share this with you, and gives them permission to not be okay. If they are feeling low or struggling mentally, the 2 OK rule makes it so much easier to start that conversation. Introduce the 2 OK rule to your friendship group and make it become the new normal for the way that you greet each other, in person, online, and over the phone. Are you okay is the most important question that you can ask a friend, but asking twice and asking how they're really doing can encourage that person to open up. We owe it to each other to become more open and honest, so be the person that enables your friends and family to talk about how they really feel. If a friend does open up to you and you're not sure how to help, that's okay. Listening to them calmly and non-judgmentally is the most effective thing that you can do. Also, remember that student services are here to support them, so encourage them to get in touch or self-refer online. If you want to find out more about what you can do to support the people around you, look out for one about how to support a friend with their mental health workshops or mental health awareness sessions. You can check out the next available dates in the link below. Give the 2 OK rule a go today and see the impact that you can make. See you soon.